done so many coolie videos, but my actual passion is cooking. I love cooking, I love baking, I love making dinner, I love making school lunches, all those things. What we're going to work on today is this really great recipe I have for chocolate chip cookies. I've got my supplies here ready to go. I've got a spatula thingy for stirring. I never remember what that's called, but my mother-in-law knows. A spatula for taking the cookies off the tray. I got a whisk for whipping my eggs. I got a knife because you always need a knife. My foil for wrapping the tray. And a mixing bowl. Plus, always great to have a towel handy, ready, so you don't wipe it on your clothes. So, for the ingredients for these cookies, it's super complicated, and I know you're going to love it, and it's the best thing that I've ever come up with. Let me go grab them. Hold on one sec. These are literally the best cookies you will ever have, and they are ready in minutes, and you'll be so happy, and your kids will be so happy, and I gotta tell you, if you just want to cut it open and eat it, that's okay too. Hang on just a second, we'll get started. So excited. We're doing 11 to 13 minutes on 350. Spread those cookies out so they'll get nice and crisp. Ba, ba, ba. Let's go wait. We have moved to my portable kitchen table, which is adorable and very good for organizing. And I'm going to show you the final pièce de resistance for my amazing cookies. I'm going to go ahead and pop this bad boy, peel it right off. Pop that in a little bag. Got the little fold over bag, bringing it back old school. Fold it over. Put in my coolie. And check out this super rad travel pouch for my cookies. That is also a really adorable gift for teachers or anybody. And how cute is that? This is my dinner. This is my dinner. I already had lunch and I've had like 3 of these things. We keep having to reshoot this because I keep eating them. Anyway, this is amazing. You should get these right now, and you should absolutely gift these to someone. You can get them in the Ice Cream Pint size, and you can always order them from